If your injury is going to follow you the rest of your life, you need an expert that knows exactly what that costs. Meet the Life Care Planner. Greg Klote here from Halvorsen Klote Davis. The Life Care Planner is one of the most underrated experts you can use in a case. Many people haven't heard about them. Many attorneys don't hire them, but in a serious case, they can add hundreds of thousands or more in case value to your case. The Life Care Planner. Here's what they do. The Life Care Planner is a nurse, rehabilitation specialist, doctor who can quantify exactly what it will cost for everything you'll need for your injuries for the rest of your life. And they put a dollar amount on that. It's a big sentence. Let me break that down for you. Let's say you have a serious back injury, herniated disc, nerve issues, you need a fusion surgery. Medical bills are racking up, but what does the next 30 years look like for you? Here's where many attorneys stop, but here's where the Life Care Planner can come in and add extreme value to your case. The Life Care Planner will look at your medical records, they'll consult with your physicians, they'll look at your prognosis. They'll determine, do you need radiology moving forward? What's that cost in your area? How many PT visits will you need? For how long will you need them? Will you need another surgery in 10 years? They look at all these things and start to add up the different costs that you may have over the lifetime. They look at your medical records. They consult with your physicians. They can look at your prognosis and they determine, do you need more radiology? What does it cost in your area? Physical therapy, pain management, medications, mobility devices. They look at all the things you might need. Do you need a second surgery in 10 years? They look at everything and see what those costs will be associated with you from now into the future. They typically will put together a spreadsheet year by year, cost by cost, adjusted for inflation, and they go off of medical literature to determine these values. And then they come up with a total, say $600,000 is what it may cost for your lifetime due to the injuries. And this helps juries understand the real costs over the lifetime, and insurance companies look at this and potentially offer more money based on those values. Here's a real life example. We had a client that was involved in a T-bone collision. She was 34 years old. She needed a rotator cuff surgery and a back surgery. We sent an offer to the insurance company. They only gave us an offer back looking at past medical bills. Now, we retained a Life Care Planner to look at her future costs that she may have. Ultimately, she needed $340,000 of future medical care. We were able to use a Life Care Planner to determine this, get this number to the insurance company, and immediately the value went up on their offer. When do you typically use a Life Care Planner? Serious cases. And the general rule we look at is this a permanent injury? Is this something the doctor says they're going to have to live with forever? Cases with future surgeries on the horizon, whether that's they need a surgery now but they're delaying, or they might need another one in 10 years, back surgeries, knee, hip, doesn't matter. Another one is catastrophic injuries like traumatic brain injuries, amputations, burns. Look at how they'd have to live and what are the things they'll have to do medically for the rest of their lives. Another one is younger clients, with chronic issues and long-term issues. If they're 28, 30 and have to live with the rest of their life, those care planners can show exactly what they're going to deal with in terms of costs for their medical for the rest of their life. If you've been told your injury is going to be long-term or permanent, ask about a Life Care Planner to your attorney. Make sure that you look into it. Accidents happen. We can help. Halvorsen Klote Davis.